But yeah, 129, man. Yeah, you guys know those going for what? 99. Air Max 98s going for 110. Get that 20% off. That changes it. 129 plus 20% off. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back. We are back. We are back. We are back at another Nike outlet. We are out in East Los Angeles. So we're at I think the title of this place, or the name of this place, is the East LA Community Center. But yeah, we're back here. We're gonna try to get some deals, see what happens, see if there's anything to flip, see what happens, you guys. I don't know. In my intro, I did forget to thank all of you new subscribers, as well as all of you old subscribers. Not really old, but the ones that have been with me for a minute. I do appreciate that. Thank you all for your support. You guys know I do work hard to find new content for you guys, try to help you guys informed of all the new sales, all the new deals, and try to help entertain you guys, because that's what YouTube's for, right? So yeah, so we're gonna start off in the clearance section as usual. Those of you guys who've been with me for a minute, you guys know the East LA location does have a really good clearance section. Yeah, and they got 20% off today too, so yeah, let's go see what's up. See, I swear people don't know about this place, man. Look, it's like 11 something. There's nobody here. Every other Nike outlet I go to at 11 o'clock, man, they're usually packed as hell. This is insane. It's insane, you guys. So you got the Tinkers, the Tinker 3s, going for 200. Some of you really smart and knowledgeable subscribers have told me that, hey, if it's cheaper on the website, you can actually ask for it, the cheaper price on the website, and you get the discount. And you get that discount, so you get that 20% off. So I don't know. I don't know if it's still on sale, but this was going on sale at the on the website for what, 129 or something. Yeah, you get 20% off 129, man. That's $100, $100, or close to it. I don't know. Fuck, my math sucks. But yeah, see, for $100, this is a cop, right? This is a cop for $100, ain't it? And people have been sleeping on these, man. Got that suede. It's not the highest quality suede, but you know, it's not bad. It's not terrible. You got that elephant print, black elephant print. You got the tumbled leather, slightly tumbled. Is it tumbled? No, it's like a weird texture leather. It's not really tumbled. Like porous leather. I don't know. But yeah, it's not bad, you guys. It's really not bad. Got the 3M hits on the side and on the front. Got the Nike Air in the back. Everybody loves that Nike Air. The only reason everybody hates it right there, just because of that right there, that Nike swoosh. But this really ain't bad, you guys. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think these aren't bad at all. These aren't bad, you guys. They're not bad. These ain't bad, you guys. These are not bad. I just can't cop them. I got other stuff I need to buy. I got my list of Jordans that I need to buy, and these aren't high enough on the list. Actually, they're not on the list at all. But for $100, if you can cop these for $100 though, that's one that just makes your list right there, just because of the price. Not bad. All right, let's keep it moving, you guys. Keep it moving. Right, Air Max 98s, going for 110. Get that 20% off. That's not bad. It's a cool color, man. I like the blue. Not the biggest fan of purple, but yeah, for under $100. Under $100. These are dope. So I think I seen this a couple of trips ago. It's so crazy because I don't know. It looks like it's denim, but it kind of looks corduroy. I think it's a corduroy material. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Going for retail though. Going for retail. 130. And those Zoomfly noise canceling, those are still there, huh? They're still there. 45, 20% off. When the size 9s are getting a little bit smaller, but okay. 150 for the Jordans. Jordan 33s, busted box, all black. Not bad. Red Jordan 33s, these are displays and they're still trying to get retail? Man, Yeah, just the pricing don't make sense sometimes, you guys. Come on, Nike. Okay, dang. You always got good returns here. I'm a fan of these, you guys. I don't know about you guys. Maybe I'm just a Jordan 3 fan because I really do like the Jordan 3s. But man, not bad, not bad. Obviously going for retail because these are still new. But get that 20% off though. No box top, but 20% off. Which are the Mamba? Oh, the Mamba Rage. These are the Mamba Rage, you guys. Not bad, not bad. But look at that price though. $50, 20% off, $40, you guys. $40 for some Kobe's. They're not the signature Kobe's, but hey, not bad. Dang, we've seen these on sale at Champs and stuff, man. How are these not on sale here? The Grade 7s, dang. That's hilarious. Look at that. We were just talking about how these are labeled for retail, but look, $129. That changes it. $129 plus 20% off. Close to $100. Was that 110, 105? Oh, like 101, 109 or 108. Not bad. Not bad, you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Videos are pretty decent, so make sure you subscribe. Now, back to our regularly scheduled program. I guess these all sell for, I don't know, the Kyries are always 110, so I guess they do sell. These are size 8s. The JDIs, right, 110. Get that 20% off, under 100. Air Flight Posits, these gotta be on sale, man. Didn't we see these? We saw these for way cheaper here. We saw for like $100, and I actually checked to see if there's some resale. And nah, there wasn't. There wasn't. But yeah, not bad. Not bad. So I guarantee these are $100. See their thing? Their pricing does. How is this going for retail? Like, I don't know. These aren't that limited. These aren't limited at all, are they? That's weird. That's weird. How do these go for retail? That's weird. Vapor Max Flyknits, $129. It's close to $100. Didn't we just see this? Didn't we just see this for $110? 20% off at the other outlet? That's interesting. At least it's under $100. Okay, still in the smaller sizes. Up Tempo's Lakers colorway. Dang, I really like these. I just can't pay retail for them, but dang, we've seen the breads on sale. We've seen a few of these colorways on sale. We saw the Dolphins colorway, right? Saw that on sale. We've seen all of those for close to 100. These still go for retail. These are sick though. These are sick. I'm a huge fan of these. Retail game. But you do get that 20% off though. You'll get that 20. Not bad. What a great transition. Look at that. What a fantastic transition. Get the Chicago colorway. Dang. These are dope. But yeah, 129, man. Damn, that makes it really. Oh, okay, not my size. Oh, I'm glad it's not my size. Because I would have wanted to cop them. I would have thought about it. It's like a relief sometimes not finding stuff in my size because I end up copping so much stuff. Black History Month. You guys all know these. I don't really need a camera doesn't know. Okay. Oh, there's the focus. All right, cool. Yeah, you guys know those. Let's go for what? 99. Didn't we see it for 99 plus 30% off though? 99 plus 20% off. $80 though. Still a good deal. All right, they don't have the craziest hit here, so we're just gonna knock out a bunch of quick prices. Zoom Fly 3s, $95, 20% off. Kyrie Flytrap, Duke colorway, $45, 20% off. KD Trey 5s, $50. Sorry guys, well I was looking at the KD Trey 5s a little while ago. Yeah, I was told that I cannot take any video. The dude actually told me I can't take any pictures too, which is crazy because I've never heard that before. And, you know, we all take pictures and send them to people to see if we should buy the shoe, whatever. But I didn't really want to make a big deal because I do like this Nike outlet. There really wasn't a point because, you know, I could have made a big deal and threw one video online and probably would have gotten some hits. But I thought about it, and I really liked going to this Nike outlet, and my bread and butter is going to Nike outlets, so I really couldn't mess up that that rapport, that relationship with the people there. So yeah, I really didn't want to be flagged as the dude who does the YouTubing and don't let this guy in. So yeah, so what I did was I just went around, took some pictures. So yeah, let's talk about some of these sneakers that I did see. All right, we got the Tinker 3s in red and white. I think this is the cheapest I've ever seen this at an outlet. I don't think I've ever seen these for $129. As you guys know, these did retail for $225, so this is a pretty solid deal. Yeah, it's definitely a cop for those of you guys who've been waiting for this shoe. We got this Air Max 98, kind of like a camo colorway, green with some, it's like a desert camo, but kind of a peachish tone to the camo. Definitely an interesting colorway, not the most standard type of color, but it's all right. You know, this, I don't know if this is my style, but, you know, for those of you guys that are, this is the cheapest I've ever seen this one. I think the last time I came here was just $129.99 without that 20% off. So, yeah, this does get it pretty close to $100. So, you know, if this is your style, it's definitely a price to cop. These are the Air Max Plus. Yeah, this colorway is kind of dope. You know, I think even at $119, I said, hey, that's a pretty good deal. But that 20% off, this drops it down to, what's this drop down to, $100? Not bad, you guys, not bad. Damn, apparently I was in a hurry because this picture is blurry as hell. But $80, man, $80 for some Vapor Max. You know, that's a steal. Can't go wrong with that. If purple is your color, I think this is technically fuchsia. But if purple is your color, man, $80, can't go wrong with that. We got another Vapor Max. I'm a huge fan of this, huge fan of this colorway. But yeah, $120, man. That's a solid price. Get that 20% off. Vapor Max for $100. You can't go wrong with that. Air Max 720s. Not the hugest fan of the silhouette, but the all white. You know, you can't go wrong with all white shoes. If this is your style, this is the cheapest I've seen it. This drops it down to what? Little under $90. Not bad, you guys. This Volt colorway of the 720s. And we've been seeing this everywhere. We've been seeing this at the clearance center. We've been seeing it at a bunch of the outlets. $109, 20% off. I believe this is the cheapest I've ever seen it. Clearance center, they still got it for $139.99 plus 30% off or 20% off, whatever they got that weekend. But yeah, this is the cheapest I've ever seen it. So if this is your style, man, you better try to get on up. Air Max 2017. I'm a huge fan of this silhouette. I'm also a huge fan of this colorway. But yeah, the price, we gotta get it down. Yeah, this is still over $100. I've seen it for under $100 plenty of times. We need that price to go down a little bit more. Another colorway of the 2017. Same thing. Need a little bit cheaper, you guys. Got these Huaraches. Yeah, this you know, the colorway is all right. You know, I'm going to be honest, this is kind of a plain stylish shoe. The Huaraches, I'm not the hugest fan, but yeah, that price, man, that price just drops down to $40. Not bad. And same thing, exact same assessment. You know, the colorway is pretty decent, you know, but it's not the most exciting type of shoe. But yeah, $40, that's a solid steal. Solid steal, you guys. I do apologize in this video. This is the first video where I haven't had live footage or video footage of some of the sneakers that I've checked out. Like I said, unfortunately, I wasn't able to take video due to some staff members being kind of douchebags. But you know, I wasn't able to explore the women's section as well as the kids section. You guys know in future videos, I will go ahead and make sure I get that footage for you guys and whatnot. So yeah, thanks for bearing me throughout this video, you guys. Yeah, sorry about the weird video, you guys. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, one of the Nike staff members actually came and told me I couldn't take video or even take pictures, which is weird. I still snap pictures, but yeah, I do want to come back here eventually. So, or probably next week. Shit, I'll come back next week. Yeah, but I do want to come back, and I don't want to piss anybody off and stuff. So, and I don't want to really be known. So yeah, so I just took some pictures. Hopefully you guys didn't mind that content too much. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys leave me a comment. I do pretty much primarily hit up Nike outlets as well as other retail stores, but pretty much I look for deals, you guys. That's pretty much what I do. So yeah, thanks for joining, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.